In this video, I'll show you how to fix in case you have the airbag light flashing or even staying on your Nissan Pathfinder, no matter which year or model you have. So let's get started right away. It does not matter if you have a start-stop button or an actual key. Alright, so turn the key from the lock position to the on position. Watch the airbag light closely on your dash, and as soon as it's turned off, well, turn the key fast to the lock position and wait 5 seconds. We'll have to redo this 2 more times. So again, turn the key from the lock position to the on position. Watch the airbag light closely, and when it's turning off, well, turn the key to the lock position fast. Wait another 5 seconds. Again, one more time. You're going to turn the key from the lock position to the on position. Again, watch the dash. And when that airbag light turns off, quickly you turn the key to the lock position and you wait another 5 seconds. After that 5 seconds has passed, what you need to do now is to turn the key to the on position, and you're going to watch again the airbag light, but this time for 30 seconds. You're going to notice it will flash, but this time slowly. This is great. All right, after 30 seconds, you're going to turn the key to the lock position and wait 5 seconds. Then turn the key to the on position. The airbag light will come on, but after 7 seconds, it will disappear and it will not come back because you have resetted the airbag light finally. If this didn't work, don't worry. What I suggest is you retry that at least 2 or 3 times. Sometimes, the number of seconds, it's very important. So if you waited 7 seconds instead of 5, well, this could make a huge difference. If not, check all the connectors, especially the seat belt connectors that are located under the seat or on the side. If they're unplugged or there's something wrong with them, this is why you're getting that airbag light on. Finally, if you're still having issues, go to the dealership or a trusted mechanic that has a scanner, because maybe there's a part that needs to be replaced. And since we're talking about safety, this is not something that you should take lightly. If this worked, please leave a comment down below, or even if it didn't work, I want to know. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks and have a beautiful day.